This tutorial is going to show you how to reconcile pay and/or invoices, then export the information for use in a payroll package. It will also cover rolling back, undoing or unlocking a pay or invoice run to make further adjustments if needed. There is a longer version which details many of the options available to you when processing pay or invoices. By reconciliation, we mean the process of taking already entered hours, days or weeks worked and performing all the intricate calculations necessary to generate a complete payroll or invoice export. Go to the timesheet screen, select a worker and a period. This displays the relevant shifts and information useful for confirming timesheet information. For example, select December 25th to January the 6th. At the top right of the screen we have a tick total and the total number of hours for this particular selection of shifts. For a shift to be included in a payroll or invoice run, all you need to do is tick it in the tick column. Double-click on the shift cell. All newly ticked shifts will be included in the next run. The timesheet screen allows start, end, break times, rates and expenses to be updated as required. To edit a time, double-click on the time and enter the new time, or we can hit the plus key to add increments of 15 minutes. Where the totals were the same as the timesheet, we can click on the Confirm All button and all shifts are automatically ticked. We now select Payroll or Invoice Run from the Utilities menu. This gives us some options. Invoicing companies, the default is All and we shall select All. Similarly for Pay Scale, aka Rate Card, you can reconcile pay weekly, monthly or daily if you wish. Next, the date. The L next to the run date signifies it has been locked against further changes. Selecting a reconcile date for the 6th, we can click on Reconcile. At this point it will collect the details for each newly ticked shift, its rate card, and calculate the amounts. If for any reason the system cannot fully calculate an amount, e.g. rates or payment criteria have not yet been fully entered, a detailed exception report is generated. We will cover resolving incomplete rate cards in a separate video. For exporting runs to any third-party payroll or invoice system, or to simply avoid additional shifts being added accidentally, we lock the run. The L appears by the date. Now we can export the information to whatever system we have, Sage, QuickBooks, or indeed custom software, factoring or payroll agencies. We can supply custom export formats if you have a custom payroll package. To export, we simply click Send to Disk, and it has exported those records. We can open the destination folder to view the export file. If we check the export and notice a problem, to edit, rollback or undo the locked run, we can press the Oops button. We get a warning message which allows you to undo it to a certain date. Click Yes and it is now unlocked. We can now sort the problem we noticed and then go through the export process again. So, very quickly, with a small number of clicks, we've reconciled pay, locked the run, exported the information for use in a payroll package, and undone a locked reconcile.